Good morning, boys. Here's how I lost $2,000 trading the Nasdaq this morning. Unfortunately, took two trades. This was the shorts that I caught. I really took this trade two times. Re-enter this twice. I'm gonna give you guys a quick breakdown. Not mad at this trade, honestly. Not mad at what I did today. I followed my plan. As you guys can see, a P&L 2,000 across these two XFAs, and as well as all my evals pretty much did below these last eval today. So I'm down to one, two, three, only four accounts. And honestly, down on these combines and down on these two XFAs. It's unfortunate that the first trade I take on these two XFAs happens to be a $1,000 loss. Regardless, I did follow my plan. It is a pretty big loss, but I only really did two trades for my standard size of 1 mini, honestly, which is 10 macros for MEQ. So let me give you guys a quick top-down analysis into what I saw, what I took, and all that good stuff. All right, fellas, coming into market open, I pretty much had a bearish bias, guys, because price was, displaying to the downside. I already had swept London lows pre-market. We have London highs right here. As my draws on liquidity, I already marked out London highs, and we have New York PM lows right here. This was actually what I was going to target. Since we already swept London lows, these New York AM lows from, I believe it was yesterday, actually, or last week, 2 days ago. This was the draws on liquidity that I wanted for these shorts, considering we already swept London lows. Okay, coming into market open, right pre-market, we had this 5 minute bearish gap that I wanted to see price hold, right, on the 1 minute. Yeah, I wanted to see this imbalance hold at nine. As soon as 9:30 came, price displayed to the downside very, very quick. Here is where I actually entered, fellas. As soon as we displayed to the downside, I noticed price created a massive 1 minute gap. I didn't want to enter at the displacement, even though I could have. I wanted to wait for a retracement back up. We created a gap here, and we created a gap right here, right? And now those lows are about to get smacked, fellas. Damn. This was the other imbalance that we created. I wanted a retrace back here. And I got the retrace back here. Unfortunately, I entered shorts towards these lows right here, towards near lows right here, targeting this draw on liquidity, and I got stopped out literally. My first entry, I believe it was at the first retrace, entered, got stopped, and then pressed retrace a bit further up, and then I saw some bearish move here at this rejection. Like this candle ended up all the way here, but at one point it started rejecting, and at this rejection I entered again, just wanted these lows, and I got stopped out. Poor timing, right? Poor timing. Price ended up coming back up, chopping. Look at all these in crazy chop. We ended up chopping for a couple minutes, and then now it looks like we're displaying to what I actually wanted to target, which was those New York lows right here, fellas. And whoa, got stopped. See now those lows are getting edged. That's fucking hilarious. But yeah, honestly, I did follow my trading plan. I actually can't be mad at this. Uh, took two trades only, literally, and yeah, boys. It is what it is. It is what it is. I followed my continuation model, and today simply did not play. This is the thing with trading. This is the thing with probabilities. Losses are part of a winning system. Okay, if my model shows that I have an 80% win rate, that means I'm gonna probably win 80 out of like 100 trades, but I'm still gonna lose those 20 trades, right? The statistics show that I'm going to endure losses. Statistics show that a winning model is gonna have periods of drawdown, periods of losses. Okay, maybe I don't have periods of losses, right? Maybe I recover tomorrow, maybe I win tomorrow and the next day, and the win rate prevails. But losses are inevitable, guys. Losses are inevitable. I'm going to be faced with them. I'm going to experience them. My only job as a trader is to, once I do witness losses, not crash out, understand that these losses are part of the model. Look at these lows getting edged. This PA is not good, guys. I'm not just gonna entirely blame PA. I hold full accountability, but I'm generally not mad at the trades that I took. Like 9 out of 10 times, this would have maybe retraced back into this gap and flushed towards these draws if price actually wanted to sweep those draws. Okay, I guess my timing was wrong. Regardless, it's not my job to lose my trades and then try to look for another setup. That's why we have rules, right? Two trades maximum. I lose two trades. I'm done for the day. I'm already down 1,000. I'm already down 2,000 because I'm copy trading. So honestly, keeping it transparent with you guys, pretty tough day. But what are you gonna do? Come back tomorrow, journal, adjust, come back better. Okay, try to be more precise. And yeah, not mad again, not mad at all what I did, not mad at all at the trades I caught, not mad at the size I put on. Never increase size, just honestly took what I needed to take. Follow my model to the best of my abilities. On the hourly, prior to this trade, I did notice we were inside this 1 hour. We were kind of respecting this 1 hour right here. We were respecting this 1 hour right here pre-market, which I was actually paying attention to, but we ended up completely disrespecting it. Honestly, here's how the replay looks. This is price pre-market. See, that's the first displacement candle we got, and this is where I entered. That right there was what set my entry. See, we came, we tapped this imbalance. This would have been a crazy good entry for this lows right here. And as you guys can say, this is exactly what happened. Stopped off for no fucking reason. Then I figured, okay, we might still respect this imbalance, and then didn't respect anything. Honestly, kept going up, kept going up. This is chop fest, you know. There's no scenario where I would have won these shorts, honestly. As you guys can see, Price just wanted to do what Price wanted to do, and there's nothing I can do. There's nothing you can do. You can crash out of these things, guys. This is probabilities. We're dealing with probabilities. Okay, it's a probabilistic business. All right. And then now Price, still can't sweep these lows, right? We still can't fucking sweep these lows. That's fucking crazy. Oh, and now we about to sweep them. Look at that. TP ended up getting smacked. Just poor timing, poor precision. That goes to show my draws were correct. I just fucked up on the timing, fucked up on the precision. Well, that's how today went, boys. Can't be mad. Tomorrow we're back. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.